Hi, I'm Brian Marangi from Sandy Hook Yachts, and I'm standing at the helm of the 2024 Caymas 34CT. This thing truly is a fishing machine. Come check out some of the features it has. When I say that the 34 Cat by Caymas is a fishing machine, it truly is a fishing machine. The fishability of the bow of this boat, the wide beam it has, you can have 4 or 5 grown men up here fishing all day, not even bumping into each other. You got beautiful upholstered side cushions. This thing has speakers all over. You got 17 speakers throughout the entire watercraft here. Very nice place to lounge when you're going out on the reef. You're going out to the canyon, your special someone. Midship, you have a little bit of room that you could put a porta potty in if you'd like to. Up here at the helm, the front seats of this are on actuators. You can put the bolster seat down. You're shorter type of a stature of a person, you move it up. Hey, maybe you're a big guy, move it back. In the aft stern part of this vessel, you have plenty of more room. You can have 5 guys up front. You can have 4 guys back here, grown big men, fishing all day, not even bumping into each other. You got a place to put the taco outriggers if you want. They made a spot right here. We'll put a little outrigger in there for you. Live wells all around. 34 Cat comes equipped with 5-gallon bucket storage right here. That also comes completely out if need be. You could get out there underneath, you could see what's going on in your bilge. You could also use this for crabs, you know, day out on the reef, getting some crabs, boom, bring it home, kids love it. Over here on the port aft side of the boat, you have another 5-gallon storage. You got crabs if you want. You're out on the sandbar, crabbing with the kids, boom. Under here, actually, this is a cool feature. Another live well back here, port side. Out here you have cutting board. Get your fish, chop them up. Place to keep your knife. Over here, standard drawer. Cup holders for your booze, rod holders for your enjoyment. This is a cool feature you got on another actuator. Your cooler, which doubles as a lounge chair. Have I told you about the fish boxes yet? Plenty of room. I could put 2, 3 of me in here. There's one here, there's one here. Could fit 3 of me in this one. There's 2 on this side. Absolutely the deepest fish boxes I've ever seen in my life. Another one right here. All kidding aside, this boat is a beautiful boat and it drives absolutely incredibly. With the Catamaran hull, the way this thing cuts the water and your turns, you really have to get on to really see what I mean. I'm gonna just bring it up to speed, bring it up, get the bow down. Bow never goes up actually. And the acceleration is so smooth. With those Verado Mercury engines, it's so quiet. One of my favorite things to do on the 34 Cat, bring it up to speed and just feel how it takes the turn. The boat just handles so beautifully. They really engineered it to be one of the most incredible fishing boats I've ever been on. Thank you for taking the time to go on the walkthrough of the Caymas 34CT. I'm Brian Marangi at Sandy Hook Yachts. Please reach out to me at any time to schedule your private showing. bmarangi@sandyhookyachts.com. Thanks.